little recording here to show you how to use Google Sheets. We're just going to do the very basics today. So start out by going on the internet, and then once you're at the Google homepage, click on the waffle icon and go down to Sheets. And then I want you to click on blank to get a new document. Okay, and here's our grid made up of columns and rows. Columns go up and down, okay, vertically. This is column D. Rows go horizontally, left to right. This is row 16. Okay, and all these individual boxes are called cells, spelled CELLS. So, what I really want to focus on today is what the three different mouse pointers do in Google Sheets. Okay, so first of all, let's get some data here. Let's type in some different words: bananas, apples, and I'm pressing tab to get to the right. Oranges, kiwis, and lemons. Okay, if I want to go to the left, I can press Shift Tab. And then if I want to go down, I can press Enter. Also, the arrow keys: right arrow, down arrow, left arrow, up arrow. Okay, but entering and tabbing are probably what you'll do most often. So let's say that I want to move the word bananas up here to D5. All I have to do is move my mouse to the edge of the cell where the blue border is, okay? I'll see a little hand icon. I can click and hold and drag this up to D5. If I want to move apples to E5, I can click, move to an edge, make sure I can see the hand icon, move this up to E5. Now, I can definitely select more than one cell at a time and then just move to the edge of that selection and get a hand and then drag it over and drop it where I want. Okay, so the three mouse pointers that we need to make sure we understand are the arrow, which is found when you put your mouse in the middle of the cell, the thin cross or the fill handle when you go to the bottom right corner, okay, and then the hand, which is the move, which happens when you hover on the edge of the cell. Okay, so let's say we want to copy bananas all the way down to 15. So what I do is click in D5, and then remember, I just come down to the bottom right corner, click on the crosshairs or the thin cross, and drag down to cell D15. And there we go. It populates all the cells. So if I was doing that to apples, move to the bottom right corner, get the little thin cross. The real name of this cursor or mouse pointer is the fill handle. Click, drag that down, and voila, copies it for us. Okay, now if we wanted to do this to multiple things at a time, use the arrow by staying in the middle of the cells so you're able to select all of those, and then move to the bottom to get your crosshairs and pull down. Okay, so those are the three mouse pointers. If I want to select all of these, remember, stay in the middle of the cell, okay, for selecting. Notice that if I get on an edge and try to do that, it's just going to move bananas. So Control Z to undo that. When you're selecting, you want to stay in the middle of the cells. You want to see an arrow. Okay, and then one more time, moving is just going to an edge. And then the fill handle, bottom right corner, allows you to add more, copy more cells. Okay, so you can go any direction from this bottom right corner. All right, Control Z, let's take all these extras out of here. And there you have it, the three mouse pointers.